All right, guys, 2014 Dodge Charger RT 5.7N. Old police car, really nice car. Built suspension and all that for the police. Anyways, got factory converter there, X-pipe. Then we put 2 glass packs on it, there and there. Then 2.5-inch pipe continues, or actually 2.25, sorry. 2.25 pipe continues from there. And then we did a rear resonator delete there and there, and put 2 4-inch angle cut tips out the back, right there and there. There it is. That's how you do it, boys and girls. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. There's the 2 mufflers we cut off, and there's the 2 resonators we cut off right there that were on it. That's the resonators, that's the mufflers. Looks a lot nicer, a lot cleaner now. Looks better. Here's sound decibels. You cannot beat the Hemi sound. That's clean. Go ahead and back it out. He was watching one of our videos and he said, I want that. I said, okay. That's what most of our customers do. So when you come to us, if you watch the videos, make sure you watch them and tell us which one you want. As you guys can see, this is exactly the sound he wanted. Just mean and clean. Mean and clean. Let you guys hear it on the inside. That's Charger RT, old police car. You can tell from the wheels, it looks good too. With glass packs, rear delete, and 4-inch rolled tips. Tippets.